things that still a Ghana and what is all him?
See, or him, I am about some question where now one fair to me because obviously your guess will be as good as mine. One car back can say it might not be the case, but I wouldn't know the fact or him. I was
just say a person you're real.
Me every na so him there me who will be able to me that me who so far there so him as or him type no
and the kind of
Ghana for me until me tell Ghana for me nim there but most say
until be as
you me will be more powerful than because the last time I even spoke to Bullet he did admit say Oyima could still be the person Oyima till for some time.
Bullet, you admit it,
Oh yes. One thing I like about Bullet, honestly speaking, there are things he says it as it says, and of course you can't deny that fact. Bullet is managing an artist. The artist is equally good, but Bullet will come out and say, "Well, I've managed these people, and I see Oyima as one of the best."
Okay.
And he obviously, if you ask me this question, Anna, man, who but Nana Hima Momude Yamianim, the Sunyum to Fono. It isn't going to be this time because Ebony will hold me good. So Jackie one they are equally good, but the Queen's style, her personality, because on say no name that's it.
And son will be free now on a rainy for a year dance artist. Still, I would you choose all the Bemano.
Oh, you're good as no mean. Oh, Vivi Jai. Emmanuel, dance for man. Or him, yes, on top. I know the
still
me tea be there, but or him, man.
Starboy. Starboy.
Vivi, that's not for to be told. For me, and like I said, the question be on my you're not being fair because I knew we were going to ask such questions. It's by the fact that I was so prepared, you know. Let me give you frank.
Kendo 107.7.
Ohima. Me the day me to know. Me tia me kwa bochi sana me yet. So mo that me so dia. And I don't know. But Ohima for now, Ohima okay.
Are you okay? Oh. Stop. Me person make how you. I'm saying last time I know Kasai working on Plus. Was it last year? And I'm so Kasai. So na to me solid results be about about death no. So na uguswa and I say no.
Oh, me gusuna kwesi baby I pushed and I pushed and I pushed.